for joining us on our Fluid of Oz collaboration featuring 27 artists. Thank you to Nathan Linzel from the Fine Art of Distraction for asking me to be a part of this wonderful celebration of the Wizard of Oz. I am sure you just saw Carrie Leland with KL Artistic. Don't forget to check out all 27 artists in this exciting event. Let's get started. My inspiration this evening is the poppy field scene where they were sleeping and the snow woke them up. I cannot wait to share this with you. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. Again, I'm so excited about this collaboration, and I originally had something different planned and it just didn't dry well, so I am going to do my version of red poppies. I'm going to do a flower pop on this glass frame. I've been doing a lot of blooms and flower pops on these frames. It's a lot of fun, so I thought I'd do that tonight as well. So this is a black frame. I have several colors. I think I'm going to go with black. It's 11 by 14. And it is a frame that I got at Michael's. So I'm going to open this up. It already comes with your corners, so I always save the corners. And I just bend these up, pop this out. And remember, this is glass, so be very careful with when you're using it. And then I just save these pieces. And I'm going to go ahead and put a couple pieces of tape. Okay. I've got my Winterstrom mini spinner that I love. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the glass, we're going to, actually, that's a little off center. I want it to be a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to put it level. There we go. Okay, I think it's good. I'm not going to be spinning, but I just thought I would use this so that I can blow the flowers. Let's start with just layering the red paint. These are all Amsterdam, golden, any red paints that I have, just to give it some depth. I've covered my spinner with press and seal. Okay, I think that's enough. And I am going to just spread this paint out onto the glass. Probably got too much paint. It's a different feel on glass. You don't need as much paint. Okay. Perfect. Okay. And tip some off. I see some bare spots here. Okay, tip a little off this way. Okay. I am using Mixed Media Girl, her pouring medium, and some golden iridescent, I think this one is green orange. We're going to put that as my swipe line. Beautiful. Okay, spin it back around. And I'm going to torch. And if you remember one of the scenes in Wizard of Oz, they had a, it was snowing. So that is the concept I'm hoping that I can get here using this. So I'm just using a piece of plastic that I'm going to set in the paint, let it set, and then I'm going to pull very carefully. That's what I didn't want to have. I didn't want it to move, but it's okay. I got it just in time. Yay. Good. I like this because, again, there was a scene in The Wizard of Oz where it was snowing in the poppy field. I wanted to get cleaned up a little bit so that we can start with our flowers. And I do like this gradual, if you remember the scene. I'm trying to think if I should do, it was snowing, and do the poppies. I think I'm going to leave the snow on the bottom here, and the poppies are going to be at the top. I am going to use white since this is about the snow scene. I just got to make sure my bottle is open. Let's get started. Oh no, the wind is picking up, everyone. I will see you at the next step. Okay, look at how this dried. That green gold from Golden is amazing. I love it because it represents kind of the green of the witch and the green of the Emerald City. I'm just going in and I'm going to play around with these flowers. A couple of them shifted a little bit, but I'm going to add some black centers and make them look a little bit more like poppies. And then after we are done with the centers, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of the Ballgown by TLP to give it a little bit more depth on the petals. am going to I'm gonna bring this down like this, I believe, with a paint marker. Okay. Okay, I'm finishing up the stems here, and I am just loving how this green gold is shining through the flowers. It makes me think of the yellow brick road, and I just love this scene. I love when she sees how it's snowing and wakes up. Okay, so we put it back in the black frame, and I am now adding a bead of silicone around the frame so that it will hold the resin. I usually let it dry overnight. And uh-oh, the wind is picking up, so let's get that resin on. Okay, I'm using Mixed Media Girl resin. I've had such great results with her resin, very low bubbles. I never have any problems after it's dry. I absolutely love it. I'm going to go through and just spread this out and give it a quick torch. And then I have decided that I am going to use diamond dust and some glass shards, mix them together. And originally I was going to put that on the whole entire painting, but I decided just to do it at the bottom where the snow is. And I'm pleased that I did that. It adds just a little bit of depth on the bottom where the snow was laying. So I cannot wait to show you the dried results. I will see you there. I just love this scene in The Wizard of Oz where they go to sleep from the poison in the poppies, and then it snows and they wake up. So I hope you love this flower pop as much as I do. I am so thrilled with the poppies and the snow and the gold for the yellow brick road, and it's got a green tint like the witch. So I hope you enjoyed this. It was so much fun. And don't forget to watch everyone tomorrow. We have 3 wonderful filled days of The Wizard of Oz. So thank you again, Nathan, for inviting me, and take care, everyone. Till next time.